Okay, so in this specific one, we are going to learn about EBS encryption. In the previous video, we learned about EBS encryption, how you can create an encrypted snapshot, how you can do an encrypted volume from an encrypted snapshot. All right, and this video demonstrates the same. Right, let me go to EC2, and you can see in the screen that I have one instance created, and in this specific instance I have one root volume created, right? And this root volume is unencrypted, and for the same I have one snapshot created. Now when I go to this specific volume and I click over here, you can see that the encryption is not present, right? Now let us go to the snapshots and again check whether this is encrypted or not. Now when you go over encryption, you can see that this is not encrypted. Now the first thing, can we create an encrypted volume from this snapshot? The answer is definitely yes. You need to go on action, create volume from snapshot, scroll down, and you need to enable this flag. By doing so, you will be encrypting your volume. For that, you need to provide an KMS key, and then once it is done, click on create volume. Okay, now when I click over here, you can see this specific volume is encrypted. All right, the first thing is done. Let me delete this volume. Delete. All right, now let us go back to snapshots again. Okay, now I wanted to ask, can I create an encrypted snapshot from an unencrypted snapshot? So yes, we can. So for that, you need to go on action. You need to click on copy snapshot. Okay, you can copy this specific snapshot in some another region as well. However, let us go with US East 2, and here you'll again get an option for encrypt this snapshot, and we'll provide a KMS key and then click on copy snapshot, and you can see the copied snapshot is been created and it is in progress. And when you click over here and you check the encryption section, you will see the snapshot is encrypted. Now, coming to the third part, that is, can we create an encrypted volume from an encrypted snapshot? So yeah, answer is again yes. You just need to click over here and then you can create a volume from this specific one. Let us wait for some time until the snapshot has been creating. Once it is done, then we'll start with volume creation. All right. Okay, now you can see that the snapshot has been created. It actually took a long time. So let us create an encrypted volume from this encrypted snapshot. So let us click over here, and here you can see that the encryption is res. Okay, click on action, create a volume from this snapshot. Okay, and you can see that it is by default encrypted. Why? Because the snapshot is already encrypted. Okay, now create on volume, and as you can see, when you click over here, this volume is also encrypted. Alright, so that was all about this video where we created an encrypted snapshot, where we created an encrypted volume. From an unencrypted snapshot, we can create an encrypted volume. From an encrypted snapshot, we can create an encrypted volume. Alright, we have seen multiple possibilities. Alright, and now let us delete the redundant part, that is unused volumes, and we'll delete the copied snapshots as well. Go to snapshot and create the recent one, that is this copied one. Action, delete. So that was all for this specific video, and see you with the next topic. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.